Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you've always wanted to invest in the stock market but didn't know where to start, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the entire process of investing in the stock market in the USA, step by step, especially if you're a beginner. By the end of this video, you'll know how to open an account, choose investments, and make your first trade, all in a simple and easy way. Let's get started. What is the stock market? So first, what exactly is the stock market? The stock market is a place where you can buy and sell shares of companies. A share is basically a small part of a company that you own. When the company grows, the value of your shares grows too. In the USA, the two biggest stock exchanges are the New York Stock Exchange, or NYSE, and NASDAQ. You don't need to go there physically. Everything can be done online through investment platforms. What you need to start investing. To start investing, you'll need a few things. A valid ID like your passport or driver's license. A bank account. A brokerage account. Some money to invest. Even $100 is a good starting point. There are many platforms you can use to invest, such as Robinhood, E-Trade Fidelity, and Charles Schwab. These are 3. Upload your ID for verification. This is required by law. 4. Link your bank account to transfer money easily. 5. Deposit the amount you want to start investing with. Always check for secure websites and use strong passwords. Investing safely is very important. What to invest in? Now let's talk about what you can invest in. Stocks. These are shares of individual companies like Apple, Microsoft, or Tesla. Investing in stocks can give you high returns, but it's riskier. ETFs. Exchange-traded funds. These are groups of stocks that you can buy together. For beginners, ETFs like the S&P 500 fund are great because they spread the risk. Mutual funds. These are professionally managed funds where experts decide where your money goes. They are less risky but may have higher fees. For beginners, I recommend starting with ETFs because they're easy to manage and give you diversification. How to make your first trade. Once your account is ready, you can make your first trade easily. 1. Search for the stock or ETF you want to buy. 2. Decide how much money you want to invest. 3. Choose the type of order. A market order will buy immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set the price you want. 4. Confirm the purchase. After you buy, you'll see your shares in your account. You can track them anytime. Tips for beginners. Before you start investing, here are a few tips to keep in mind. Start small and invest regularly. Don't panic when prices go up and down. Avoid making emotional decisions. Reinvest dividends to grow your money faster. Keep learning, read books, watch videos, and follow trusted sources. Investing is not about getting rich overnight, it's about being patient and consistent. Conclusion. To wrap it up, investing in the stock market in the USA is easier than it sounds. All you need is a verified account, a bit of money, and the right approach. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on personal finance and investing. Drop your questions in the comments, and I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching, and happy investing!